I find someone that makes me feel like home. When I'm with you, time is frozen. I don't wanna let you go, but I'm better off alone, and you're just living in the moment. The feelings that you have should be yours right now. I'll never say the words when time runs out. I think we lost ourselves for a minute, couldn't see the ending for the beginning. The feelings that you have should be yours right now, right now. If you want this love, maybe I should leave, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. I'm a broken star, if only you could see, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. Did you think that we would end up here, feelings of the modern fear? You make it seem so easy when you've got me living in the moment, driving on an open road. You make the silence golden. The feelings that you have should be yours right now. I'll never say the words when time runs out. I think we lost ourselves for a minute, couldn't see the ending for the beginning. The feelings that you have should be yours right now, right now. If you want this love, maybe I should leave, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. I'm a broken soul, so if only you could see, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. If you want this love, maybe I should leave, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. I'm a broken soul, if only you could see, 'cause I wanna pull you down with me. If you want this love, if you want this love. Just a sinner who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers 'cause my name's a reminder of a pop song people forgot. And I can't keep a girl, no, 'cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and words my excuse. But the truth is I can't open up. You don't wanna be high like me, never really know why like me. Oh, stepping off that roller coaster all alone. Oh, I know I said songs, I said songs.
So watch out for more videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, hit like. Thank you. Here today at Mosman, Balmoral Beach. I'm gonna show you what this place looks like early morning. Look, I park here on the road and look at what I'm seeing right now.